Dear students, I am your social teacher. Today we are going to learn about History Lesson 1. Sources of Medieval India. History can be divided into ancient period, medieval period and modern period. Now we are going to learn about sources of medieval India. The medieval periods from AD 700 to 1200 and from 1200 to 1700 AD. It can be classified as early medieval period and later medieval periods. Varied sources are fortunately available in the study of medieval India. Some of them are inscriptions, monuments and coins, which we'll be learning in detail in this lesson. These sources gives detailed information on the life of kings and very little information about the common people. The courtiers and chronicles are often writing exaggerating the king's achievements. Okay, let us now explore the various sources available for the study of medieval India. Now let us move into the lesson. What are sources? Sources are the supporting materials, documents or records in the form of evidence that help to reconstruct the past. Sources can be classified into primary sources and secondary sources. What are primary sources? Primary sources are inscriptions, monuments and coins. What are secondary sources? Secondary sources are literary works, chronicles, travelages, biographies and autobiographies. Let us explain in detail about the first primary source is inscriptions. The study of inscription is called epigraphy. What are inscriptions? Inscriptions are writings engraved on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temple walls and metals. How many of you have seen the inscriptions on the temple wall? Okay, so seen in these inscriptions, historians were able to understand clearly about the past. Lands gifted by the Cholas are known from the inscriptions. They are land of non-Brahmin properties called Velan Vagai. Land gifted to Brahmins called Brahmadeya. Land for the maintenance of a school called Salabhoga. Land gifted to temples are called Devadana. Land donated to Jaina institutions called Pallichandam. Inscriptions on copper plates were treated as legal documents. Thiruvalankkadu plates of Rajendra Chola I and the unbuilt plates of Sundara Chola are notable examples. Uttaramerur inscriptions in Kanjipuram district provide details of the village administration.